Hi, welcome to my channel Crazy Code Dunia. We started a new series on logical program called as Logical Program Practice. In each episode, in this series, we focus on different logical program concept, breaking them down into simple step. Each program we explain step by step and run on IDE. Every program are explained well in detail. So please go through playlist and watch each and every program to get better hands-on on Java. Today we will focus on new program, that is write a calculator program in Java. So here, to perform calculator program in Java, we need to perform four operation. Operation number one is addition, second subtraction, and third multiplication, fourth is division. So we have to perform four operation: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Addition we already seen in first program in our series. So you can see the addition, how we perform the addition. So subtraction and multiplication and division we will see in detail in this program. So let's focus on logic, how we will create this calculator program in Java. So logic is simple. We need two variable from user. So I will consider as num1 is a one variable and integer num2 is a second variable. I will take these two variable from user to addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So now what is addition? So addition means we need to perform addition of these two numbers. So I will create one addition. So addition is like num1 plus num2. Subtraction sub is equal to num1 minus num2. Multiplication, I will return multiply is equal to n1 num1 into num2. I know that why I am returning this one, because for multiplication we need to star in Java to multiply the two number. We don't have a cross mark here, so we have a star to multiply, and division we have a backward slash. So num1 divided by num2, like this. So this is called as division. So like this we will perform each operation. So for this, how we can write in Java? So logic is, we have already given addition, how we can do addition, subtraction, how we can do subtraction, then multiplication, how we can multiply, and then division. So, sir, can we create method for each addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division? Yes, we can also create the method for each. This is also one way to perform this calculator program. But I am doing here switch case. What is switch cases? So, what is mean by switch? So, switch when we are using, there are one or more condition are there. When there are one or more condition are there, then that situation we are using switch case. So, switch case syntax is like this. Syntax of switch case syntax. So, switch, in switch we have a operation. So which operation we want to perform? We need operation for in switch. Then we need curly bracket open, curly bracket close. This is compulsory. Curly bracket open, curly bracket close. And inside that we need case. Suppose in my first case is addition, so like that I will write case 1 and colon. So this is called case 1. Then I will write one case, then we will go one by one. Okay. Then whatever the statement I want to print, so like here SOP means system.print.ln. So SOP. So this is suppose addition. Now we have a break statement. Why break? If addition statement is occur and it is satisfied, then all other all other operation also perform. That's why we are breaking our case here itself. That's why we are using break. Second case, if I want to take second case, so how I will create second case? So second case is simple. So I will just write here case 2 or case. What is case? It is subtracted and colon SOP subtract SOP subtract. This is my statement, and I will break break the loop here itself. So just look, I have added break statement in each case. I have added same thing you have to perform for multiplication. Let me add that one also. For multiplication, I will write here multiply, and for division, so it's called division. Okay, so let's jump on first case. Case first, if you are performing or user will be entering addition, then we will performing addition. This is case first. Second case, if user performing minus, then we will performing subtraction. Then if subtraction is occur, we will break our case here itself. We will not going through further. If we are not giving break here, that means if subtraction found till our other loops or other cases also running, that's why we are using break here. Make sure in each case we have to given break, otherwise it will go for further cases also to perform. Okay, and in last we have one default condition called as default called as default default. This is like this, and we can write any statement. Suppose I'm writing here, or it is optional, so I am writing here invalid option. Invalid option means if you are entering more than this four option, then I am returning invalid option, and I am breaking here as a default. This is also optional. This is optional if you are returning or not optional. Okay, this is fine. So in this way we can perform our calculator program in Java. But here most important thing to learn switch. So what is syntax? Syntax of switch is switch operation, then inside that case we need to perform one operation, and then break statement is compulsory in each case. After each case we have to give one default case, that is by default which statement we have to perform, and then break. This is our switch statement. Now let's jump on id to perform same calculator program in Java. So now I'm creating one class A14 calculator. Let me close all other. So now we have a class calculator. I'm creating main method main. So this is my main public static void main. Now I'm taking input from user. I'm using scanner class for that one. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in, and now we have a input whatever the user has given from scanner. It is now in sc. I need to take that input in one variable called as integer num1 is equal to sc dot next int. So I will ask client enter number. So this is for first, and same thing I'm returning for second also. Num2. Enter first number, enter second number. Okay. So in this way, we have a two input. One is num1 and one is num2. Now we can perform our calculator using switch and cases. Switch and cases. So now switch inside inside bracket we have perform operation. What we have to perform? Operation. Sir, now we have to given curly bracket open, curly bracket open. Sir, we don't have a provide operation. So we just ask to enter client number, but we haven't asked client to enter operation. So we will ask client first, hey client, which operation you want to perform? So I will take integer, enter operation to perform. Okay. So I'm asking client which operation you want to perform. Like say if client want addition, then I will use operation as a addition. So what is that one? Sc. It is not int. It is we can take string sc dot next sc dot next for string. Okay. Now we will get operation from this operation. Client is entering plus. Then we will get plus sign here, and we will check that in case if plus is there. Okay. Then we will sorry plus is there. Then we will go system dot sysout. We will go to print our logic here addition. Result addition result plus num 1 comma plus plus operator comma it's not required plus operator num1 plus num2 plus is equal to num1 plus num2 plus is equal to, let's give space here also and here also to get better visualization or better display. Num1 plus num2 is equal to what we are going to perform here. We are performing addition. Addition is like this num1 plus num2. Will it find? Yes. Yeah, it will give addition. It will give addition to you. And most important thing, break our statement. I will show if we are not breaking what happened. So break. This is case 1. Now for case 2, let copy and just print here. So case 2 is minus. Simple here. Subtraction, and here instead of minus I will give subtract, and here also I will do subtract. So for case 3 I will give multiplication. So for multiplication, same thing. Instead of addition, I will give star. For multiplication, here also star, and here also star to multiply two number. Got it? And for division, I will just written here slash, forward slash, here also forward slash, and here also forward slash. So in this way we can write logic in switch. Now last case is case default. What is this? Default. Default. And we can write here SOP also. SOP, which is invalid option. And we can break the, this is optional. This break is optional. If you can write or it you not write, there is no further step. That means we are not execute any further step with this default. So this break is optional for in switch and case. Okay. So let's save this program and run. Okay. So Java application. So enter the operation to perform. So I am performing addition. Sorry, addition first. Okay. So it is asking me enter first number. So I am taking 25. Enter second number. I am taking 40. So addition result is 25 plus 40 is equal to 65. Let's check for next one. So enter operation. It is multiplication and number is 20. Second number is 7. So multiplication of 20 into 70 is 140. In this way, we can perform calculator program in Java. Please like and subscribe.